Good day, watchers. Welcome to Japan Time. I live in Japan and I make videos of watches. Sometimes new watches, but most of the times just watches I wanted to add to my collection. So welcome to the world of wonderful engineering of horology. Hello watch enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into the Seiko SNXS79J1, a true gem in the world of horology. This watch has captured the hearts of collectors worldwide, and we're here to explore why. I'm excited to share with you what makes the Seiko SNXS79J1 such a beloved piece among Seiko aficionados. This is the SNXS79J1, the JDM version. There is also the SNXS79K1, which is released worldwide. Let's get into the details. First, let's talk about the design. The Seiko SNXS79J1 exudes a timeless appeal with its minimalist design. Its stainless steel case, coupled with a matching bracelet, offers a versatile look that fits both casual and formal settings. The black dial, adorned with silver tone hands and indices, provides excellent legibility and a touch of sophistication. The day-date window at 3 o'clock adds functionality without disrupting the dial's clean layout. This timepiece boasts a well-proportioned design with a case diameter of 37mm, making it ideal for a wide range of wrist sizes. The case thickness is 11mm, ensuring a comfortable fit without being overly bulky. Its lug-to-lug distance is 43mm, which contributes to its balanced appearance and wearability. The watch also features a 20mm lug width, allowing for easy strap changes and customization. These dimensions collectively create a harmonious and versatile profile that appeals to both casual and formal settings, reinforcing its popularity among collectors. The Seiko SNX79 is part of a diverse family of models, each featuring different color schemes to cater to varying tastes. Alongside the classic black dial of the SNX79J1, the most popular variants include the SNXS77 with a striking blue dial, the SNXS73 with a classic silver dial, and the SNXS80 with a warm gold-toned dial. These variations feature the same reliable 7S26 automatic movement and robust build quality as the SNXS79. The different dial colors, coupled with the signature sunburst effect, provide a versatile range of options for collectors, allowing them to choose a watch that best matches their style preferences while retaining the timeless design and functionality that the Seiko 5 series is known for. One of the standout features of this watch is its movement. The Seiko SNX79 houses the reliable Seiko 7S26 automatic movement. This in-house movement is known for its robustness and dependability, a hallmark of Seiko's engineering. The 7S26 movement provides a power reserve of approximately 40 hours and features 21 joules, which help reduce friction and wear, ensuring longevity. Now, let's talk about the history and heritage. Seiko, as a brand, has a rich legacy of innovation and craftsmanship. The SNX79J1 is part of the Seiko 5 series, which has been celebrated for offering incredible value and quality since the 1960s. The 5 in Seiko 5 stands for the 5 key attributes that every Seiko 5 watch must have: an automatic movement, a day-date display, water resistance, a recessed crown at the 4 o'clock position, and a durable case and bracelet. The SNX79 embodies all these traits. 1. Classic and versatile design. Its timeless aesthetic featuring a 37mm stainless steel case and a sunburst dial, appeals to both vintage watch enthusiasts and modern collectors. The clean and elegant look fits various styles and occasions, making it a versatile choice. 2. Reliable automatic movement. The watch is powered by the Seiko 7S26 automatic movement, known for its durability and reliability. This in-house movement is celebrated for its robustness, requiring minimal maintenance while providing accurate timekeeping. 3. Affordable excellence. Despite its high-quality construction and dependable performance, the SNXS79J1 is affordably priced. This makes it an accessible entry point for new watch collectors and an attractive addition for seasoned enthusiasts looking to expand their collection without significant financial investment. 4. Community endorsement. The SNXS79J1 has a dedicated following within the watch community. It is frequently recommended in watch forums, social media groups, and reviews, where its reliability, classic design, and value for money are consistently praised. 5. The Seiko SNXS79J1 is often dubbed the poor man's Rolex Explorer due to its similar classic and versatile design that echoes the elegance of the Rolex Explorer, but at a fraction of the price. This nickname highlights the SNXS79J1's ability to offer a comparable aesthetic and reliable performance without the luxury brand premium. These factors combine to make the Seiko SNXS79J1 a beloved model among Seiko fans, appreciated for its blend of quality, style, and affordability. In fact, I actually bought 2 of them. I have one in its original bracelet and the other one in this chocolate-colored leather straps, which complements the black dial perfectly. I am also considering getting the other color variants down the road. In conclusion, the Seiko SNX79J1 is a watch that offers tremendous value, timeless design, and reliable performance. It's no wonder it's a favorite among collectors. If you're looking to add a versatile and iconic piece to your collection, the SNX79J1 is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more watch content. See you next time.